This is a piece of plastic. I don't know what this plastic is, but it is some tough stuff. And I cut it down to the size of the table, just so when I cut, I can just easily just brush this off. So what I want to do next is like maybe carve out the chunk for the vise on the Panta mill. But not, because right now it's being held down by these. How did I do it? Took some calipers, measured this, scribed some lines, found the center, measured the offset of this, drilled this hole a little bit bigger than it needed to be, and put the bolts through, put it all together, and then just filed this down. So it's not, you'll still rip your shirt off, but hopefully not too bad. It's getting better. Z-axis is working. Didn't turn out too bad.